evening, folks. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're taking a look at Bank of America Corporation stock. And we can see the last 5 years has been pretty decent for them, up 54%. And when we take a look at the max for Bank of America, we can tell the stock has a very up and down history. Now, taking a look, we got some metrics. PE ratio around 15, earnings per share $4.31. Taking a look at the revenue for Bank of America, we can see it is increasing, so it is going up. Growth is still there, and their net income is going up as well as their net profit margin. It's staying pretty steady. And the earnings per share is increasing. Now, Bank of America for December 2026 and December 2027 estimates, EPS is set to go up and revenue is also set to increase. When you take a look at the chart for Bank of America, like we were talking about earlier, imagine purchasing this company back in the Great Recession. So let's take a look. Let's see. Trying to get it as close to August as I can. There we go. August 18, 2006 to August 13, 2026. So if you were purchasing this equity, you would have to have been buying it all the way down in the Great Recession and all the way back up. And you would get the average, which who knows what your average would be. Now, the point of this channel is to educate people. So when you take a look at, March 29, 1996, all the way to today, that's 30 years, it is up 230%. Taking a look at just a basic S&P 500 index fund from March 1996 to today, and you would be up almost 1100%. The S&P 500 ETF is never compared to Bank of America on YouTube. If you guys head to YouTube and you type in Bank of America stock, you'll see a bunch of different videos, how it's a great dividend company and you should buy it and all this, good things. And it's a great company, Bank of America is a great company, but the question is it a good investment, right? Long term, 30 years. Was it a good investment for 30 years? And, the answer is that a basic S&P 500 index fund beats buying an individual holding like Bank of America. So the point of this channel is to teach people how to index and purchase index funds and compare index funds that have a basket of companies to an individual holding and see how it held up. Looking at the S&P 500 breakdown, you got a little bit of each sector. These are the current 10 holdings of the S&P 500. And, hopefully this video helped some people who are, out and about watching YouTube videos. Because, like I said, guys, nobody's comparing this to the S&P 500. No one. No, there's no video on YouTube that will show you, hey, look at this versus a index fund, and here's why the index fund beat it. Anyways, folks, if you liked the video, leave a comment down below. Have a nice day.